Yeah, hey everybody, this is Ian from Mindful Marketplace, and welcome back to our really short series of tutorials on the CARRD platform. So for those of you who are using CARRD or thinking about using CARRD, let's say you're a web designer, web developer, you're launching your own minimum viable product or testing a course or some kind of coaching offer, selling a book, etc. I mean, CARRD is really the quintessential landing page creator that I've found anyway, and I've used pretty much all of the kind of web design for dummies sorts of tools out there. CARRD not only allows you to create really great looking landing pages, but you can really extend your whole business, your brand. You can build a complete authority style site on CARRD, and pretty much all these things I've tried to demonstrate over the course of the video series that we're doing here. So for those of you who are looking to copy a card, this has been a pretty common question that we've received in our private Mindful Marketplace community. It's really easy, and I've done some other videos on this, but I'm just going to show you again how to do it. So first of all, let's look at why you'd want to do this, and I'm going to show you this just from our own CARRD backend. So this is a review template that has converted pretty well for us. So this is a review of Circle, the Circle platform, which we use for the community part of our platform. And Circle's great, right? So I created a landing page that sells Circle as an affiliate. So I'm an affiliate for Circle using this template here, right? And when I found that was converting well, getting a lot of clicks, etc., I created other review sites that you can see using the same exact template. So all I'm doing is changing the landing page copy. The product we're reviewing obviously changes with each version of this or iteration of this, but the template remains the same, right? So it makes it really easy to create product reviews, and you can see there's a lot of these that I've done using this template, right? Because it just converts well. So if you want, and I'll give you another really quick example of when you'd want to actually make copies of a landing page template using CARRD. Something like this, you can see, is all the same template. Like these four are all the same template. This is a more authority site style suite of pages that we build on CARRD. This here, same page or same template, and this here, the same template. I'm actually going to bring this up here so you can see what it looks like in the world, right? And this is for a series of courses and workshops for highly sensitive people as part of our Mindful Marketplace community, workshops, workbooks, etc. This is not something that I'm doing myself. Someone else is actually leading these for highly sensitive people, empaths, people who self-identify as maybe introverted or whatever, right? So, but the landing page for this is really, really easy. It's colorful, it's creative, it's cartoonish, which is kind of what we wanted to do, right? And this was something that was very easy to create simply because I had a template, which you can see here. All this is the same template. So the same template. All right, so all we did is change the background color, and boom, now we have a landing page for a series of workbooks and workshops that was done in 20 minutes. All right, so let's say I want to copy this. This is all you're going to do is click on that little button, and you're making a copy of the theme, in this case, that you want to reuse. And you'll see it takes a moment. But in a second, it's going to refresh, and there you have it, right? So now we can edit this, and I can change this because I'm not really so interested in the empathic personality test myself. But let's say I wanted to say 10 short mindfulness courses for kids, which is something I am interested in. All right, done. So now I have a landing page that I can modify really quickly based on that template. Let's change the background color. Actually, that might not be the color. Let me see. It's here. All right, let's do that. It's not that different, but you can see it's different. We would change the title here, mindfulness courses for kids. And then the same thing here in the description. And now I'm publishing this to a draft. And you have a new page, right? That has the same. Now I could change all this. So this would say save it again. And you know what, the other thing we can do if we want is we can save it as a template, or we can publish this to a CARRD URL. Let's see if that's available. Mindful Kids is not available. Calm Kids is available. Let's publish that. And now you have a live published page on the web at calmkids.carrd.co. Boom. Right? And you can see this is now live in the world, and anyone can view this, right? So if I want to quickly modify this, you can see I changed mindfulness workshops where it said spiritual growth workshops a moment ago. And of course, I would change all these pictures. You know, if you're building a directory or an authority site or a niche community or profile pages, this is a great sort of way to build a directory, right, of your members or affiliate products or resources, downloads, all on CARRD, and you can build 10 or 12 or 20 of these pages in a short afternoon and literally have an entire site with a shit ton of resources or downloads or people you're promoting on CARRD done in literally you can build a asset like that on CARRD literally in an afternoon simply by creating a single template like we've done in the back end, and then kind of replicating it over and over again. So if I wanted to build let's say I know a lot of people in our audience, or my audience in particular, are building directories and things like that, you could literally create 10 cities and have it all on CARRD and have like the top 10 dentists or detailers or realtors or, whatever it may be. Or if it's in one state, you could have 10 cities within a state. If it's in a niche, you could have mindfulness teachers, yoga teachers, acupuncturists, herbalists, whatever it may be that is appropriate for the categories in your specific niche or community or area of interest. All right, so really easy, and this salient piece of this process is all you're doing is making a copy. I can make 10 copies of this right now as I'm recording this, and in 3 minutes I'd have all of this done, and all I need to do at that point thereafter is modify the pictures. You can see that's the same picture, right? The same hero picture, just changed, right? So really easy. So is this, right? So all of this is very, very easy using CARRD, ideal for web developers, for designers, for brand builders, for online agencies. These sites look great, and CARRD is super duper easy to use, even if you're a design dummy like me. If you're interested in launching something or building something using CARRD but don't want to do it yourself, send us an email, mindfulmarketplace@gmail.com. We have a whole new publishing platform called Blurt, the idea incubator and brand accelerator for enlightened entrepreneurs with a need for speed. And we do these things very, very quickly for our clients, testing MVP MVP products, launches, book launches, course launches, etc., etc. And I'd work with you directly to get your, big idea published in a rapid fire way. Okie doke. Thank you so much for watching. As always, CARRD is great. You can sign up for CARRD if you want using our Mindful Marketplace affiliate link as well. I'll have that in the comments section if you're in our community, or if you're watching this on YouTube, it'll be in the description. If you do that, also send an email, mindfulmarketplace@gmail.com. And I'm happy to help you if you have any questions and you use our affiliate link. As always, I'm certainly happy to advise. Thank you so much. Teach what you know, do what you love, wake up the world with your work. Hope to see you for the next video, which I'll be recording later today. Thanks.